Now we're printing a skip for the scrapyard on Partick Hill Station. It should take about 57 minutes and 5 grams of material. So here you can see it's already started the process, and we'll check back in later. So you see the bed it's placed so that it's perfectly flat and level, and now it's actually building the base, and then it'll build the walls. Well, there it's finished. Look at the size of that. I'll need to scrape it off. That's perfect. There, see? And I'll paint it yellow. Pretty good. So here we have 3 skips prepared for printing, and there you can see the base mat for the 3 of them, and that will be in 2 hours and 54 minutes and using 14 grams. We'll catch up when it's nearer the finish. They're nearly finished 3 skips. There we go. 10 or 15 minutes to go. It's got to go a little bit higher, but yeah, looking good. Well, there it go. It's finished, and that took 3 hours and 17 minutes as opposed to the 2 hours and 54 minutes that it had planned. Anyway, they look really great, and they'll look even better once they get painted up. Just need to tidy it up with some of those hairs that are hanging off the sides, but all in all, a great series of models. Anyway, remember to give me the big thumbs up, ring that bell, and subscribe if you could. Thanks very much. See you next time here at Partick Hill Station. Bye for now.